Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. Today we are going to be cooking some breakfast burgers on the Traeger. I went to the grocery store this morning and I picked up these Angus beef smokehouse blend burgers. Looks like they are made of chuck brisket and short rib, so I think those will be perfect on the pellet grill. And then I got some Oscar Mayer center cut thick cut bacon that we're also going to be cooking on the pellet grill. First things first, let's get our meat rub down. We're going to be using this Jake's beef rub on these burgers. It is a coffee rub that I think will go great with this breakfast burger theme that we're cooking with today. Now that we got our burgers rubbed down, let's get our pit fired up. Been getting this cold weather warm up every single time here lately. It has been a cold winter in the Northeast. We got the Traeger cranking right around 275. We got the hopper full of Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, the gourmet barbecue blend, and we have got all the bacon and the burgers on the pit. We've also got a cast iron skillet preheating on here because we are going to fry up some eggs for these breakfast burgers on the pellet grill as well. Alright, we'll check back in a little bit. Alright, so I just flipped everything and I threw a couple pieces of bacon in this cast iron so we can get it nice and seasoned with some bacon fat to cook those eggs in. That's going to be delicious. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I love cooking bacon on the Traeger. It is super easy and it might make a mess, but I don't mind cleaning my barbecue, so it's not that big of a deal to me. And it tastes delicious. Alright, check back in a little bit. I'm flipping this bacon probably like every 15 minutes or so. So I've heard of people doing the bread test to find their hot and cold spots on their barbecue pits, but I gotta tell you, I think the bacon test is better because that's how I learned where the hot and cold spots on my pit were, and I just adjust around them as I cook. So I think it's much more tasty than the bread test. Tell me what you guys think. That's a plate of heaven right there. We got the last couple pieces finishing up, and the burgers are getting close too. We're going to throw some eggs in this cast iron full of bacon grease. We got the burgers and eggs on here. It's a beautiful sight, ain't it? We're about to throw some cheese on these burgers too because they're getting close. We got some tater tots in the air fryer, and I'm getting hungry. So you know it would be wrong to do anything but some American cheese on these bacon, egg, and cheeseburgers. These are almost done. I'm pulling them soon. These eggs are almost done. The tots are almost done. I'm pumped. Well, there you go, guys. That's how I make some breakfast bacon, egg, and cheeseburgers. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. I can't wait to dig in. These things smell amazing. Deuces.